seen a cat? It's a small black cat with green eyes.
Looks like Leo's cat.
Leo? You know Leo? He's my dad.
So you're the famous Shelley.
Famous?
You write, you run a business, you used to beat up your brothers even though you're the youngest.
Good Lord, what hasn't he told you about me?
Why you never come around?
Look, if you see the cat...
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you uncomfortable. I just really care about Leo. I hate to see him alone.
He has a caregiver. He has a cat. Well, at least he did.
Hey, the cat'll come back.
Nothing is ever his fault. He wets the bed. He blames the cat. I'm sorry. I must sound like some self-involved bitch daughter.
You're going through a tough time. It can make it hard to see the good parts.
I gotta go.
When my wife and I first moved here, your mother had just died. 6 months later, my wife was diagnosed with terminal cancer. I gotta tell you, that was a tough one. 2 years married to your best friend, you find out she's gonna die. I was so angry. We were so scared. I never met your mother, but sometimes I think she sent Leo over. He just appeared one day on my doorstep. Somehow he must have heard what we were going through, and he just showed up one day with your mother's poems and his stories.
Not the cancer poems.
Yeah. They weren't that bad either. At first I thought it might make my wife uncomfortable. Some loony old guy from down the street reading Hallmark poems about cancer. But actually she wanted to hear him out. And so we listened to his stories. Stories about brushing your mother's hair, dressing her up, taking her out. About how when the hair started to come out in his hands, he never let on. About how when he would look into her eyes as they were turning yellow with jaundice, he'd tell her how beautiful she was. Now they promised each other to find at least one thing to laugh about every day. And then a wonderful thing happened. Your dad showed me how much life and love Emily and I still had together. How many days we still had to do something besides sit around feeling sorry for ourselves. And so we stopped fighting the inevitable. We decided to make the most of the time we had left. And when the end came, it was sweet, peaceful. Your dad gave me that.
I'm sorry. Hello? Yeah, hi. Great. Okay. I'll be right there. Cat's back. I gotta go. Thank you for your story.
Good luck.